What's up, JDNS Empire? And right now we are going to be taking a huge adventure with the drone with y'all, and we are going to be going, he's going all swaggish right now. That was way too far. Anyway, we're gonna be going to a creek, a pond, Cannonball Alley is what we like to call it, and we're actually gonna go explore an area that we saw. You used to have that picture, right? The snapshot?
Yeah.
We're gonna be going checking out this area. It's really weird. It's on a trail. I think it's the middle school. But we'll check it out, and we'll see you when we go. Bye. Okay guys, we got out. Wow, that is a huge storm cloud. Woo, it's pretty cool. Anyway, we're here right now. We've got that drone in our Pampered Chef box.
Yeah, guys, if UPI was to sponsor us, we will gladly take our first sponsorship prize as a backpack.
But this is not sponsored. This box is not sponsored.
No, we're not sponsored by Pampered Chef.
No, they don't fly drones. At least not on my watch.
Cook, and I like the cooking. Not as good as honest cooking. But
there you go. There's the drone. And we're gonna get some pretty sick footage. If you wanna look down here, I'll give you a little tour of this creeky area. It is pretty sick over here. It is pretty amazing. When it floods, anytime it rains, this place is amazing, which is really cool. So I'll show y'all around. Okay guys, we're gonna be heading to the next place. Go ahead and throw that in my backpack. That middle one, yeah. We're gonna be heading to the next place downstream. Clouds are looking beautiful right now. Got some shots of those. Gonna send those out to you, and we're gonna be heading to the next place, so we'll see you there. Right now, we are at this area right here, which looks pretty good. There's a plant over there.
like of the day, guys, I'm gonna start doing this. Whatever we do, that's the most dramatic part of our scene from the video. I'm gonna call that the like of the day. Our like of the day was getting our feet soaking wet with this disgusting water. We had to cross that river just to get here.
Well, it is recording right there, as you guys can see.
Is the phone working?
Phone is working, so go for it. Okay.
There's no depth for stuff.
Yep, you're good. And there you go. Finish that off with. I'm gonna zoom in and break the rules of no zooming in, because that's pretty important right there.
I wish I got that in the shot. God dang it.
Okay, we heading back out?
Yeah.
Cool.
We're gonna call it a day, guys.